Yo, they all on me, bro. The whole gang's on me. Good. What's good, YouTube? It's Coffee Boy. Today we're gonna be playing this SpongeBob horror little game thing called 3:30 a.m. at FLOATER'S Cemetery, made by one of my goats, my favorite developers, Dave Microwave Games. So this game is just about Mr. Krabs. He just wants to go. I didn't even read it. I didn't read the description, but basically, Mr. Krabs just digs stuff. It's basically that episode for SpongeBob, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you know what I'm talking about, then I don't have to say anymore. Now, let's get into it. FLOATER'S Cemetery. I heard there would be treasure buried in some of these graves. You know, I'm in no hurry to return home. That hatchling slasher fellow fell behind. There's no way he'll ever catch up. I think now's the perfect time to go grave robbing. Har har har, yeah. You know, I actually been having this game download, like, on Game Jolt. I just never played it. It was just sitting there in my... just download games. Okay, just controls. Okay, pro tip, when being chased, try to create some distance and hide some bushes or behind gravestones. You usually escape it that way. Okay. So, alright, we just gotta do our to-do list. Alright. Number one, dig. Yo, I just heard the little fucking noise that I was about to say, ain't no way I got caught already, bro. Wait, do I even have the shovel? I think we'll be fine. Yo, that scared me, bro. Hold on. Yo, that's the hatchling and slasher, bro. Just gotta hide it here. I think we're good. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, he sees me. Oh, yo, he's big. Hold on. I'm not trying to die here. Yo, this. Okay. Yo, hold on. Yo, I'm genuinely cooked. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. That's one way to get away from him. Okay, there's just no there, okay. Alright. Now we can just... Okay, now we can continue, okay. I don't even know what I was gonna say before I was interrupted by a couple chasers, slashers, enemies, whatever. Just one of them. Yo, there's hatchling slashes right there. Dutchman's over there. Alright, what's next? What? 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 Yo! There we go. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, right in time, bro. Right on time. Okay. I don't care, bro. Oh. Yo, they all on me, bro. The whole gang's on me. Good. Okay. Hey, I know where the last two graves are, though. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck!
Yo, what's good, guys? It's Siri. Answer this true or false question. Did Coffee Boy get slimed out?
I thought they couldn't get out! Hold on. Alright, I lost him. Alright, at least those two. Now I gotta deal with this guy, Old Man Jenkins. Still behind me? God. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Shut up, bro. Yo, I don't even know how long that chase, like, was going on for, bro. Bro, I'm saying here. Okay. I got like, I finished 2 tasks. I don't like when Dutchman does that, bro. He makes that sound. That makes me think he spots me or something. Okay. What's good, bro? Ashling and Slasher. Okay. Alright, locked down, locked in. That's 3 grades. I don't know where the last one is. Okay, hold on. That's what's right there. Right here. Alright, let's go. Uh-oh. Alright. Looks nice. Okay, the mausoleums, I got one of them. Okay. I saw both of the last two, so just get to those right away. Slash is right. Oh, never mind, it's gone. Alright, one more. Oh fuck, both of them? What is this? Okay, it's just a rock. Oh, okay. I already got that one. Hold on, let me get rid of them. Bro, I escaped them once. I can skip them again. In the meantime, since I know they're behind me, I'm gonna try to look for the last one. Or never mind, I already lost them. Yes. Oh, over there. Let's go. Yo, we about to beat this on the first try, bro. First try. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Okay. Hey, we out, bro. We out. First try, bro. First try, bro. Holy. That was a short game. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I think this is like a wait. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I don't think this video is gonna be too long. Say about like 20 minutes. I did see what the jump scares look like. There was no jump scare. It was just the screen just turns black. That's it when you die. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you want to see me make more videos, more Dave Microwave Games videos, one of my favorite developers, or just more horror games. If you want, you can suggest a game for me to play in the comments, and I'll see if I can play it. But yeah, again, that's gonna be all. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification once you subscribe, and that's gonna be all. Hope you guys have a good day or night, and peace.
Hey, in my fucking phone. I'm tryna fuck. Shorty, what's up? Got some Henny in my cup. I don't wanna fucking love Shorty, I don't wanna cup. Fridays want you for the night. I repeat, I wanna fuck. In my fucking phone, I'm tryna fuck. Shorty, what's up? Got some Henny in my cup.